In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Net Promoter Score in SurveyMonkey step by step. If you need a quick way to build an NPS survey, this will help you get started fast. And if you find this useful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, look for the survey creation area so you can start building a new survey from scratch. Next, click on Survey. This takes you into the main survey creation workflow where you can choose the type of question you want to add. For a Net Promoter Score, we need a rating style question, so this is the right place to begin. Now click on the plus icon to add a new question. SurveyMonkey will open up the question builder, and from here you can choose the format that best matches an NPS setup. Then click on Question. This brings up the question options and lets you define the structure of your survey item. Since NPS is based on a scoring scale, the question type matters here. After that, click on the multiple choice drop-down menu. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you switch between different question styles, and it's the path you'll use to get to the rating scale options. Now select matrix/rating scale. This is the key step for creating a Net Promoter Score because NPS usually uses a numbered scale from low to high, often from 0 to 10. The rating scale format is what makes that possible inside SurveyMonkey. At this point, SurveyMonkey may ask you to upgrade your plan. That's something to keep in mind because certain advanced question types or NPS-related features may not be available on the free plan. If you see the upgrade message, that means the feature is tied to a paid option. If you're just trying to understand the process, the main idea is simple. Start a new survey, add a question, open the question type menu, and choose matrix/rating scale. From there, you can build a question structure that supports an NPS-style response. A good tip is to keep your NPS questions short and clear. For example, you usually want to ask how likely someone is to recommend your product or service. That makes the score easy for respondents to understand and gives you cleaner feedback. Another helpful tip is to make sure your response scale is consistent. Net Promoter Score works best when the scale is easy to read and simple to answer. The clearer the question, the more useful your results will be later. So to recap, go to SurveyMonkey, start a survey, click the plus button, add a question, open the multiple choice menu, and choose matrix/rating scale. If the platform prompts you to upgrade, that means you may need a paid plan for full access. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the videos and lets you see more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.